Are you ready to start your own business in Georgia and need a reseller permit? In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the essential steps to apply for your reseller permit in Georgia for 2025. Let's dive right in. Before applying, you need to set up your business. Decide whether you will operate as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or another entity type. Make sure to obtain the necessary business licenses to operate legally in Georgia. You'll need a Federal Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the IRS. This number is crucial for tax purpose and is required if you plan for hiring employees. When you're ready to fill out your application, ensure you have the following information handy. Entity type. Specify your business structure. Business name. Include your official business name and any doing business as names. Withholding information. Your Georgia withholding tax permit ID. Driver license numbers for all business owners or officers. Business address, the physical location or mailing address. Contact information, the business phone number. Projected monthly sales. Estimate your pre-tax sales. Head over to the Georgia State Department or Georgia Department of Revenue website and navigate to the Georgia Tax Center. There, click on Register a new Georgia business. Follow the prompts to create an account and complete your application online. Once you have filled out the application, review it for accuracy and submit it. You'll receive a notification once your application is processed, along with the specific account information. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully apply for your reseller permit in Georgia. This permit will allow you to collect sales tax on taxable products and services, helping your business thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content. Happy selling!